In the end, we're all strippers because we all remove our clothes at some point in our life. My wisdom for the day. What is it? Wait for it. Bicicleta. Bicicleta. Dos bicicleta. Got it. I think that's right. I cannot tell you guys what I had to do to pass my college Spanish class. The things I had to do and perform. And I still don't know anything. Like my professor, she used to do so much one-on-one with me just so I could learn, and like she will be turning in her grave. Not that I don't think she's dead, but you know what? Who knows? But yeah, she would not. Oh, this is that dude who's loud, right? I'll give you space. Be loud as much as you want. Yeah, she would not be happy with me right now. She would not. Man, I am burning up like a mug. Oh, I'm really thinking the beard has to go. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Don't even match the speed limit, ho. Don't even match the speed. Oh, there's a rider. Don't take my lane. Let me flip it in from the right. From the east, never eat. Yeah, east. He's getting nice on me. Hey, your right tail light is out. Yeah. See? Be nice, man. Be nice. There's a lot of hatred in this world. There's a lot of bad stuff, negativity in the world right now. Be awesome. Be hype. Be positive. Love life. And spread love, not hate. Spread love, not hate. Here's a cool dude though. Cause see, nobody can tell about the headlight stuff unless you're driving. So if somebody can point it out and help a homie out, why not? Why not? Yeah, you jiggle it to the road. I don't know what I was gonna say. I mean, I was popping it in a neutral like anything, man, before in the beginning of the ride, and now I can't even. Is he gonna go check? Man, I should have told him his right brake light, right? I think it was his right brake light. Or is it called tail light for all? I don't know. I don't know much about cars, as you guys can tell. Only exotics, and even that I only know a finite amount, or infinity amount, finite. A small amount. If somebody can please pop up, biker please, and we can have some fun. Is there something on me? Hair's been flapping. It can't be in my ear or in my helmet, cause helmet be a snug fit. And she sounds like a freaking monster. Like a freaking monster, man. Sounds like a freaking monster. And we got a truck behind us. He is hogging up the entire mirror. We got Broly heating up on us. I'm gonna believe that it's gonna be a left. There you go. I'm hot and I cannot think. So what is it gonna come out of my mouth? Garbage. Rubbish. Right around the bush. You can dip your borscht. I don't know. What is borscht? I feel like borscht is like Swedish for meat. I don't know why. I'm gonna just put that out there. Swedish for meat. Borscht. A pasta borscht, huh? Something like that. I don't know these. I don't know what a Swedish accent sounds like, but I'm guessing it's that. Yeah, something like that. Okay, something is flapping in my next to me. I don't know what you're on about, man. I don't know what's happening in this little area section over here. Maybe you guys can see. Shout it out. Shout it out. Strippers. In the end, we're all strippers because we all remove our clothes at some point in our life. My wisdom for the day. We got a rider up there, but he on a Harley. Problem with other sport bike riders is they all zoom, man. They all cut and they all zoom. Zoom meaning blazing. Blazing meaning go fast. Cut means lane splitting. I think that was a Triumph. What we on now, man? What's going on? What happening? Not what's happening. What happening? Well, it's not that enunciated, but my cheekbones, man, my cheekbones. But what's happening? That's T.I. That's Migon, the Stallion for you. What happening? Ferrari, old school, yellow? Yeah. I would turn around all the way, but traffic. Matt Muck. Man, it's humming, man. My cheeks squeeze as hell. Plus the beard and the uncomfortableness of having my beard stuffed in my helmet and, you know, it growing on my face. But we own something good, man. We own something good. I think McLaren is doing appointment only. As with other exotic car dealerships, appointments only if you would like to come. No loitering. Smashing, just smashing in there. You already know. Man, I would never rent a limo. That is definitely freaking gross. Not sitting while other people were smashing. And if you ever had been in a limo, then you already know. I've been in one, but I refuse to go anywhere. I refuse to go anywhere in it. I've been around one. I went kind of in one, not all the way, because I ain't sitting in. Again, not sitting where somebody unleashed their love juices, but also not sitting with somebody, you know, boom, 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 boom. Homie, in your lane, man. Dude's about to get his brain snatched. Dude's about to get his brain snatched. Oh, I was about to stall. Oh, puppy, he's looking right at me. I'm telling, man. Felines, lions, puppers. Hey, what breed are dogs? But you know how they say, like, you really effing with me today, huh, girl? Okay, that's what's happening. I'm gonna give you one more chance. One more. There you go. But like, what breed? Man, I just put it in neutral, homie. I thought you were gonna wheelie. Puppers looking at me. We know how you call cats feline. What do you call dogs? Puppers? No, like, what's the medical or biological, geological term, scientific term? We got a mark right behind us. I don't know if you guys can probably never see that, because whenever I'm editing, you guys can never see that when I go like that. But Till getting the hell out of me right now. But what are dogs called? I know perros in Spanish, or no, gatos? No, perros. But what do you call, like, their breed, their type? Like, we got a feline. Oh! Lions be felines, right? So what dogs be, huh? And you know how there's cats, felines, but then there's those vicious versions of them, awesome versions, aka lions and stuff, panthers. Do dogs have that too? Like, do dogs have like something like a real animal outside in the wild? That's, you know, like a big bad version of it? Or bad, I mean like, you know, oh, she bad. Not like, man, that is bad. Don't do that. No, she is bad. Huh. I wink, but yeah, she bad, man. She bad, son. She a bad shorty. She a bad shotty. And she a bad girl, man. She a bad one. She a real bad one. She a good one, but she sometimes a bad one. Thank you, girl. Disrespecting me in front of my people. What up, son? He disrespected me in front of my people. You guys. What about all the hotties out there that, you know, look up to me as a boyfriend figure, not a father figure? F that. Don't ever look at me as a father figure. Any of you guys. Or a role model. Look at me, and I'm not a father figure, but a daddy figure. You know what? A daddy figure. Like a call me daddy, kind of like that figure. All right. So get it right. All right, don't be making me your role model. Don't maybe making me. I'm like your boyfriend figure. Like, you know, girls out there desire boyfriends. Like they gauge their men in their life of sexual men with me. I don't know. I'm really high, man. I cannot think. I'm dripping sweat. F a beard so much right now. What up, cuss? Looking at me like that, firefighter? Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Shift them lanes. Why is it so hot? It said it's 75. This is not 75. What the hell? God! Why? I'm one of your... Woo! Blaze it, girl. Fresh fish and seafood. She is running late for somewhere. She's running late to catfish someone. Get it? Catfish, seafood, late. All you homies blazed it, but we in the same group right now, huh? It's funny, isn't it? It's Tuesday, isn't it? It's Tuesday, isn't it? We're gonna sneak a peek. Oh man, bless me, homies. What's Birdman's thing? Birdman. I cannot think straight. It is so freaking hot. It is so freaking hot. See, I knew it. I knew you would pull that, homie. He was going to the left, right, and he's staying in the lane. Glad thing I popped up in the middle one, because we ain't like the other people. We ain't a Krabby Patty, man. We don't keep changing our mind and flipping up and down. I'm so hot, figuratively, literally, metaphorically, every way. So hot. Broly's hot. She's on 3 dots, man. It is not 75. Quit lying to me, Broly. It is not 75. Oh, so hot. Figuratively, literally, metaphorically. I have to tell you guys that so you know what I'm talking about. Because when I say I'm hot, you guys already know we're talking about, you know, dripping hotness sexually. But like, I gotta tell you guys that also literally that I'm burning. I'm burning. Homie, no. Homie, no. You're not gonna gun it and go in front of me, man.